Welcome to our comprehensive guide on using the filter, sort, SORTBY, and take functions in Microsoft Excel. These powerful tools will help you manage and analyze your data more efficiently. Hey friends, welcome to the channel Data with Now. Today we are exploring some essential Microsoft Excel functions which are filter, sort, SORTBY, and take. These functions will make it easy for you to find, organize, and analyze your data. So let's go and dive in. Let's start with the filter function. Filter function will allow you to display only a set of data based on a certain criteria that you specify. So let's go and see how we can do this. =, filter, hit the tab key. The first parameter is array. In the array, we have to specify the data range that we want to filter. Select the data range, then add a comma. Then the next parameter is the include. In the include parameter, we have to specify our condition. So let's write down the column of category, for example, Control Shift down arrow key. We want it to be equal to furniture. And because it's a text, it should be in between the double quotes. Then close the brackets and hit the enter key. Now you can see that it filtered our data, and now it is only showing us the data that is related to the furniture category. Okay, that was all about filter. The next function is sort. With this filter sort, we can organize our data based on a certain criteria. So let's go and see how we can do this. =, sort. Again, the first parameter is array, which is the data range, comma. The next one is sort index. Sort index is the number of the column that you want to sort based on that. For example, here we want to sort based on row ID. So we will add 1, comma. The next one is the sort order, which we have to specify the order of it, which is in ascending order or descending order. Let's choose ascending order. Close the brackets and hit the enter key. Now you can see that it sorted my data based on a row ID in ascending order. The next function is SORTBY. SORTBY is the same as sort. The only difference is that in the SORTBY we have more flexibility, that we can add more criteria. So let's go and see how we can do this. Again, delete this function. =, SORTBY. This is the array, comma. The next one is by array. Which array we want to sort? For example, let's sort by region, comma. Then we have to specify the order of it in ascending order, comma. Then let's, for example, sort it by the category, comma. Again in ascending order. Close the brackets and hit the enter key. Now you can see that it sorted first by region. Here you can see that central is the first value. Then by category, here we have the furniture category. Now let's explore the take function. Take function will allow you to extract a set of data, a number of rows or a number of columns based on what you need. Let's see how we can do this. =, take, hit the tab key. Again, this is the array, comma. The number of rows we have to specify. For example, I want 10 rows. Close brackets and hit the enter key. Now you can see that it will extract for me top 10 rows from the data range. Now that you have understood all of these functions, let's combine all of these functions together and see how it will be done. =, filter. First we will filter our data. This is our data, comma. We want to include only the region of central. Should be equal to central. Here you can see that we have filtered our data. Now let's add the sort function. This is the array, comma. The sort index is 1, which is the row ID column, the first column. Then comma. Sort order, ascending order. I want it to be sorted in ascending order. Close the brackets and hit the enter key. Now you can see that it sorted it in ascending order based on row ID 15, 16, 17, and so on. Now let's go and add the take function here. Take the tab key, this is the array, then comma, then rows. How many rows I want to extract? For example, 5 rows. Close the brackets and hit the enter key. Now you can see that it is only displaying for me the 5 top rows in my data range. That's it. Now you have mastered these 4 functions in Microsoft Excel. These tools can be incredibly powerful for data management and analysis. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.